So you come here to search, you write cmd, you open the command prompt. So you want to see the networks that your computer had connected to before. So you use this command. Profile, click enter. So it will bring for you all the Wi-Fi networks you had connected to, the Wi-Fi network that are saved in your computer. So maybe you want to get the password for this one, maybe you forgot for this one, so you will come use this command. Show profile, then the name of the network, then you say key is equals to clear. Say so you are brought for the, this one is the name is this one, the SSID name, and the security key is present, and key content, this one is the password.